If Capcut is showing an error message, freezing on launch, refusing to connect or throwing network and export problems, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Capcut working again on Windows. We'll start with the safest quick restart, move into cache and network fixes, and then cover the last resort reinstall method if nothing else works. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. First, do a clean restart of Capcut. Close Capcut completely so it is not running in the background. Then press Ctrl, Shift and ESC together to open Task Manager. Look through the list for anything named Capcut, ByteDance or VEDetector. If you see any of those, right-click them and choose End Task. This is important because a stuck background process can keep the app locked or trigger repeated error messages. Once everything is closed, go back to the Capcut icon, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Launching it this way gives the app the permissions it may need to open properly. If Capcut still gives you a network error or keeps loading incorrectly, the next thing to do is reset the network-related settings inside the app. Open Capcut, then go to the home page and click the hexagon icon to open Settings. From there, go into Settings again if needed, and look for the trash icon that clears cache. Click it and confirm. This removes temporary files and broken cache data, but it does not delete your actual projects. After that, click the Performance tab and look for Proxy. Make sure Proxy is turned off by unchecking it. A proxy can sometimes block Capcut from reaching its servers properly, so disabling it is a very common fix. While you are testing the connection, it is also a good idea to temporarily turn off any VPN or firewall on your PC. Sometimes those security tools block Capcut from loading assets, signing in, or connecting to the server. If the app starts working after you disable them, then you know the issue was related to network filtering, not the project itself. If you are getting a network error, this step is especially important. And if you are still stuck, try switching from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, just to see whether your router is causing the problem. Now, if Capcut will not open at all, or you keep getting stuck in a testing environment loop, there is a specific patch you can try. Right-click your Capcut shortcut and choose Open File Location. In that folder, look for a file named VEDetector.exe. This file is often linked to the testing environment issue in some recent versions. You can delete it or rename it, then relaunch Capcut. For many users, this removes the loop and allows the app to open normally again. If you are dealing with a system error, export failed message, or a project that will not render, make sure your graphics drivers are updated as well. Capcut depends heavily on your system GPU, so outdated drivers can cause export problems, playback glitches, and random crashes. After updating, restart your computer and test the export again. That small step alone often fixes stubborn error messages. And if none of those steps work, the final option is a clean reinstall. First, uninstall Capcut from Windows settings, then press Win and R, type %localappdata%, and press Enter. Inside that folder, find the Capcut folder and delete it. But before you do that, make sure you back up your user data or projects folder first so you do not lose anything important. After that, download a fresh installer directly from the official Capcut website and install the newest version. A clean reinstall fixes corrupted files, broken updates, and damaged app data. If you are seeing the message project from newer version, that usually means the app needs to be updated before it can open the file. In that case, install the newest version of Capcut and try again. And just a quick note, some community workarounds exist, but updating the app is the safest official fix. So to recap, start with a clean restart, then clear cache, disable proxy, test without VPN or firewall, check the VEDetector file if the app won't open, and finally reinstall Capcut if needed. One of these steps usually fixes the error message fast. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Capcut fixes, editing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.